Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom contact form on Shopify. This is incredibly useful if you want to collect specific information from your customers beyond the standard contact details, whether that's phone numbers, file uploads, or custom questions tailored to your business needs. First, head over to Shopify.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in and viewing your Shopify homepage, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on Settings to access your store's configuration options. Within the Settings area, look again at the left sidebar and click on Apps. This section manages all the applications connected to your Shopify store. From here, click on Shopify App Store to browse available apps that can extend your store's functionality. In the App Store search bar, type Shopify Forms and locate the official Shopify Forms app from the results. Click on it to open the app details page, then click Install to add it to your store. The installation process should take just a moment, so be patient while Shopify integrates this app into your dashboard. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken to the Shopify Forms interface. Click Create Form to begin building your custom contact form. You'll be presented with different form types, so click Inline Forms since this works perfectly for landing pages and custom pages. Next, you'll need to input a form name. Let's call it Contact Form or something descriptive that helps you identify it later. After entering the name, click Create to proceed. Now you'll see the Form Builder interface. Start by inputting a title for your form that visitors will see, something clear like Get in Touch or Contact Us Today. This title helps users understand the purpose of the form immediately. Let's add some custom fields to make this form more useful. Click Add New Field and from the options presented, click Phone. This allows you to collect phone numbers from your customers. Input a field label such as phone number and click Done to add this field to your form. Click Add New Field again, and this time select Attach File. This feature is particularly useful if you want customers to send you images, documents, or other files along with their inquiry. If you don't want to make file uploads mandatory, you can uncheck the required field option before clicking Done. Once you've finished customizing your form fields, click Save at the top of the page to preserve all your changes. Give it a moment to save properly before moving to the next step. Before you can turn on the form, you need to create a landing page where it will appear. Click Create Landing Page, then input a title for this page, perhaps something like Contact or Get in Touch. Click Save to create the page. Now here's an important step. Copy the form ID that appears on your screen. You'll need this unique identifier in just a moment. After copying it, click Go to Theme Editor to access your store's design interface. In the Theme Editor, you'll see Homepage displayed at the top. Click on it and select Pages from the drop-down menu. Then locate and select the landing page you just created. This tells Shopify which page you want to edit. On the left side of the theme editor, click Apps to reveal app blocks you can add to your page. Click on the form listed under it. On the right side panel, you'll see a Form ID field. Make sure you paste the Form ID you copied earlier into this field. This connects your custom form to this specific page location. Now go back to the Forms section in your Shopify admin and click Turn Form On. This activates your form and makes it live on your store. Finally, refresh your Shopify theme editor, and you'll see your customized contact form appearing exactly where you placed it on your landing page, complete with all the custom fields you configured. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom contact form on Shopify that collects the exact information you need from your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.